Welcome guys back to Kids Make 3D Shapes, and we will be making a treehouse today. Step 1, draw as usual.
Okay, what's our treehouse? So that's a tree?
And this is a house.
Okay. The same house that you drew?
No, just an easy one.
What's that? What's that?
Ladder.
Oh, a ladder. Okay. Ooh, should we?
But can they hear us?
Yeah, I can hear us.
So we were doing another video. So we were making a treehouse right now. The video is right here, so yeah.
Let's see it. What are we doing now?
You're next we're gonna do a payday, but this is just a copy of a house. It's a tree house, so yeah.
So we're making right now it's a post, right? It's a tree trunk.
Yeah.
Now we put in, what are those? What are those spheres? What are those for?
Those are for the leaves.
Oh, the leaves.
There's no leaves. They're lattice things. So.
It's like broccoli, right?
Yeah.
But just imagine those are leaves, right? The top of the tree. Right. So we move up.
And then you push the house up there. We fast forwarded, so yeah.
Yeah. So what's next? What's this?
This is what holds the house together.
Okay.
And there's the cube. There it goes. And then another one. And another one.
The platform, right?
Yes.
And then which?
Hi, me.
What is this?
This is the cool thing. This is what you learn now. This is gonna be cool. So.
What are we making?
You're making the ladder. This is what you do.
And then we rotate the side.
And you need a triangular prism.
Rectangular prism, you mean?
Triangular.
And so make the steps for the stairs, right?
Yeah.
The ladder.
Sphere.
There you go.
Is it a bit?
So we move down. So what we do is we select it. We duplicate
and then
space and just keep duplicating and just repeating the same distance. And we move in. There you go. Go on. The house.
But then soon he was gonna make it all red.
We group them.
And then there's
and
two.
We duplicate and make it two. So we can maybe do
a line.
One.
And then they're
one side you can jump over.
Oh god. Oh god.
Let's go on.
Just imagine that was in real life,
yeah. So do what's it called? Zip line.
Zip line.
Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso. Oh yeah, ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. Despacito.
Yeah, hold this like this and then paint with one hand. Oh, look at that. Okay, do it. Evenly? Yeah, everywhere evenly.
But not the outside?
No, outside. Yeah, that's good. Good job. Yeah, see? Even. Back and forth, back and forth.
But not on your hands?
You can pick it up. You can wash your hand later. See? Back and forth. Back. One stroke, see?
Hey,
One.
you got a bad one.
Go down, go down. See this? See, now you try it. Yeah, good job. There you go.
Sabes que ya llevo un rato mirándote. Tengo que bailar contigo hoy. Tú eres el imán y yo soy el metal. Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso. Oh yeah, ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Esto hay que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito, firmar las paredes de tu laberinto y hacer de tu cuerpo todo un manuscrito.
They are sticky.
Okay. You gonna put it on? Yeah.
Can I do it by myself?
Sure. You got it? There you go. Good job. Okay, what else? This one, right? This one go in here. You can pull this up, eh?
How?
Pull this up. Just push it. Yeah,
Oh.
push it up. You can push it up higher, me. This is the ladder. There you go. Or you can put into one of these holes.
Oh. But mine can't stand.
That's why you have this base. Right here. Okay, you can put on this hole. And then you can put in this hole. There you go.
But I can't see.
This one. Like that. Oh,
Mine can't support it.
can
though.
support.
It's very wide.
Well, you have to use glue to glue it together.
But why?
Yeah, because
Super glue?
super glue. Yeah, we can use super glue. Glue it.
Mine ain't working. Wait, that's hot glue?
So super glue.
Those are like super? It's hot back? I guess.
No, it's not hot.
It's
very
cold?
sticky. Sticky glue. Very
it's
sticky
thick.
glue.
Back lipstick. Be careful, Ba.
Okay.
Well, Ba, look at wing. Wings look cool.
Yeah, look at
But I made the brown, right?
that. Yeah.
So I have the brown, so because it's in fall.
And wait for the